Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about area parallelogram and area triangle. After knowing about area parallelogram and area triangle, we will solve some problems. So now let us see. First of all, we have to find out what is the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Okay. So now let's a diagram is given. Let this is a parallelogram. PQRS. We have to find out what is the area of this parallelogram. Then you have to know area of parallelogram is first of all draw a perpendicular from any vertex to any side. Okay. Then we draw perpendicular side PQ from vertex S. Then this is W. PQ is the base and SW is perpendicular. So now area should be area of parallelogram should be base into height. What is the base? That is PQ and height should be SW. Okay. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Now next we will solve what is the area of triangle. Okay. So now see area of triangle will be area of triangle is C. If you will take a rectangle, you can take. Okay. Then this is also area of base into height. But if you draw diagonal, it converts into two triangles. Or simply you can see if a triangle like this A, B, C, draw the perpendicular, that is A. The area of triangle should be base 1 by 2 base into height. Okay. So 1 by 2 base is BC, height is AB. Now if you have a right angle triangle, then by 2 same base into I told you in right angle triangle. So here perpendicular is already given A, B, C. Then 1 by 2 base is BC and perpendicular is that is AB. Okay. If perpendicular is not given, then first of all you have to draw the perpendicular from any vertex to any side to opposite side. Then write down 1 by 2 base into height. In parallelogram only we take base into height. But if the triangle is a right angle triangle, then you have to write down easily 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 base is BC and height is AB. Now write down. So now start exercise 16.4. In this exercise, we will solve some problem related to area of parallelogram and area of triangle. See, exercise 16.4. First question is find the areas of parallelogram with the given measurement. We have to find out area parallelogram in which base is 32 centimeter and altitude is 16.5 centimeter. Now you know area parallelogram is base into height, base multiplied by height. What is the base? 32 centimeter and 16.5 centimeter, that is height. So when you multiply 32 multiply 16.5, then the answer should be 528 centimeter square, because the unit of area is you will take centimeter square. Next, second question. First of all, what is given? Base is 1 meter 60 centimeter and altitude is 75 centimeter. First of all, convert these two units in the same units. Convert it only centimeter or meter. So we will convert both in centimeter. So this is known as 160 centimeter and that is 75. Again, why same? Area parallelogram is base into, you can take a height or altitude, both are the same. In the place of height you can write down altitude also. What is the base? 160 centimeter and 75. Now after multiplying this you will get 1 2 12,000 centimeter square, that is the answer. So 12,000 centimeter square area of the parallelogram whose sides are 1 centimeter and the base of or altitude is this. Now write next question number 2. See, question number 2 is find the altitude of a parallelogram whose area is given 54 centimeter square and the base is 15 centimeter. Now see what is given. Area is 54 centimeter square and base is given 15 centimeter. Area parallelogram is base into height या altitude. Area is 54, base is 15, and what is the altitude? We have to find out the altitude. Okay. Now altitude equal to 54 divided by 50. Okay. When you divide 54, then you will get, we have have to find the area. Okay, so the answer is 3.6 centimeter. So what is the altitude? Altitude is 3.6 centimeter on this north square. So now write down. See one more question. Question number 3. Again same question, not only very few points are different. In which also area is given 153 centimeter square, and side means base is 18 centimeter. Then we have to find the distance between the base to the opposite side. What is the distance? Means we have to find out what is the altitude or height. Question. You know area parallelogram base into height. Area parallelogram means 153. What is the base? 18 multiply height. 18. When you divide 18, 153 divided by 18. So what is the answer? That is 8.5 centimeters. So what is the height or what is the altitude? That is this one and this one also. So now write down these two questions. Now next, question number 4. Next question number 4 is the altitude corresponding to the sides and tiers of parallelogram. Okay, first of all draw a parallelogram. That should be PQRS. PQRS. Okay, and altitudes are given. Okay, from S draw altitude, and also from Q draw an altitude. Let the PQRS P and this is U. So that is given, means see S T is this altitude length is 36 and this is known as a 40. See the question once again. First of all, the altitude corresponding to sides PQ and TS, okay, of a parallelogram PQRS, and their altitude is given. Altitude PQ. What is the side PQ? This is side PQ now. First PQ is given and the numerical value 36. So the altitude, this one PQ, ST is perpendicular to PQ. So that's why the length of ST is 36 centimeters square. And the length of PS perpendicular, and that length is 40 centimeters square. Okay. So now listen carefully. See question number 4. Area parallelogram is base into If we take PQ is the base, then height should be as T. We will not take QU, otherwise it should be a wrong question. If we take base PQ, then they are perpendicular as T. What is the area? Area is given, that is 180 centimeter square. 180. Once again, write down same thing. PQ, we don't know what is the PQ. Multiply ST, and what is the ST? That is 36 centimeter square. Only 36 centimeter. Then PQ 36. Okay. So now divide 36. Then see, cut it. 6 6 36, 6 3 18. 6 5 50 centimeter square. That is PQ. See, if PQ is 5, then this is also 5 centimeter square. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Next, again same problem says taking area parallelogram, same base into height. Area same parallelogram, therefore same area 180. Now we will take base as a PS, and their perpendicular will be QU. Why we are taking QU? Because when we take base as PS, then their perpendicular altitude will be QU. 180. We have to find out what is the PS, and QU is given, that is 40. PS 180 upon 40. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 4 is 16. 4 5 is. Now again we take it, this side should be 4.5. Then again this will be. Now we have to find out. See, this question says that find the parameter. We have to find out what is the parameter of the parallelogram. Parameter of parallelogram PQRS. Sum of all sides. Side 5, this. 5 plus 4.5 plus 5 plus 4.5. Add. When you add, then you will get 90 centimeters. So the parameter of parallelogram PQRS is 19 centimeter. Okay. Now, so run these two formulas also. So today what we will discuss? First of all, area parallelogram. Area parallelogram is base multiplied by altitude, or area parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Then area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? 1 by 2 base into height. If you know the area of parallelogram is base into height, na, then area of triangle only you have to add 1 by 2. Both are the same word as area of parallelogram base into height, and area of a triangle 1 by 2 base into height. Is it clear? If in a triangle height is not given, then you have to draw the altitude, or you have to draw the perpendicular also. Then that is the altitude, and you know when altitude falls on that side, that is the base. Okay? And if in a right angle triangle, you know base, perpendicular and hypotenuse also. So in a right angle triangle, the area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into perpendicular, base into height, or base into altitude. All are same. Okay? So now write down this question. Now, so today we will solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Now write down.